we ANC unit caught the biggest ever consignment of LSD papers ever in Goa. So it was more than 1800 LSD blot papers, and the worth of it was around more than 1 crores. And yesterday night we got another case in which we caught a South Indian from Manjuna area, and we had leads, so we conducted a raid in his house, and we caught DMT, a new drug which is found for the first time in Goa. It is very potent drug which, for just for 20 people to give a trip to 20 people, even 1 gram is enough. There is one ceremony also which is called ayahuasca ceremony, which is done for some spiritual purposes. And I have gotten information that in Goa also, in some hinterland areas, this ceremony is conducted. So this case that we did yesterday, in that we got DMT commercial quantity. Apart from that, we also got some cocaine and charas. So we are in fact trying to abide by the CM's vision of zero drug tolerance in the state of Goa. इसके पास इसके रिगार्डिंग हमें इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली थी, ठीक है, तो हमने उसी हिसाब से भी कंडक्टेड अ रेड एंड वी फाउंड दीज थिंग्स इन हिज हाउस ओनली, इन हिज पोजीशन. रेंट पे रहता था. नहीं नहीं, इंडियन है. हाँ, इज साउथ इंडियन. डीएमटी का हमने 3 पॉइंट सम ग्राम्स पकड़ा है. उसकी वर्थ इज अराउंड
around 1 lakh.
1 लाख के आसपास.